Hello friends, this is Praveen Gore, lecturer Science Department. So in previous lectures, we started with modern physics. We studied electromagnetic waves, their properties. Then we started with lasers and we finished the lasers. So in this lecture, I'll be covering what is communication system, then the block diagram of communication system. Then we'll see what is satellite communication, advantages of satellite communication. Then we'll go for optical fiber, and finally we'll see applications of optical fibers. So starting with communication system. What is communication? So sending the information from a transmitter and the information being received at the receiver is called as communication. So communication is two-way communication or oral communication, digital communication. There are many ways. So here we are talking about digital communication. So what happens? Suppose let us first see what is the definition of communication system. It is the field of study related to transmission of information through a series of processes from one place to another. It is the study related to transmission of information from one place to another through a series of processes. So what is happening? Suppose this is a radio station and I am at my home listening to the radio. So what happens? In radio station, radio jockey sits here and he talks in the mic, and I hear on the radio set at my home. So what happens when radio jockey talks in the mic? Okay, this information is in terms of sound waves. Information is in the form of sound wave in radio stations. Then he speaks in the mic. So first information is sound, then it is through mic it is converted into electrical signals, and finally it is given out as radio signals. Finally the information is given out as radio signal. So when radio jockey talks, energy is in sound system. When it travels through mic, it becomes electrical signal, and finally before transmission it is converted into radio signals. So what happens? We are using a modular. Which is changing the form of wave. Modular is changing the form of wave. What it is doing? It is changing sound wave into electrical signal, then into radio waves. And at home I have a demodular. At receiver I have a demodular. So what is the function of demodular? What does it do? It receives the signal. So signals are in radio waves. So radio waves are converted into electrical signals, and electrical signals are again converted into sound signals. So radio jockey is talking and I am here listening is sound, but the processes are so many. First it is converted to electrical, then radio to electrical signals. So the information transmission is taking place through various processes. So this is what is communication system. So we have the block diagram of communication system. So we have transmitter, channel and receiver. So what is the work of transmitter? Its function is to transform the information into a suitable form and transmit it. So we are converting information into a suitable form, whichever is convenient for transmitting. We are converting it and then we are sending it over long distances. So transmitter is, its function is to transform the information into a suitable form and transmit it. And what is channel? Channel is the medium through which the information is transmitted from transmitter to receiver. Channel is medium through which information is transmitted. So what happens? From radio station to my home, okay, we have air as the medium. So air here becomes my channel. What is my channel? Channel here is air, because radio signals are traveling from radio station to my home through air. Therefore, C channel here is air. Okay, so this is channel. And what is receiver? The function of receiver is to receive the waves sent by transmitter and do the detection. So the waves from transmitter, they reach to the receiver. When the waves are reaching the receiver, they are very, very weak. Therefore, they are amplified using amplifier, and then first the waves are modulated, then we have to demodulate it. So this is the function of receiver. So this is everything regarding communication system what you have for your syllabus. Then we'll move on to next, what is satellite communication. So what is satellite communication? The communication between the transmitter and receiver on earth through a satellite is called communication. So communication on earth is taking place. This is surface of earth. Okay, we have transmitter here, we have receiver here, and information is sent from transmitter to receiver, but this information is going through a help of a satellite. So whatever the information from transmitter, it first goes to satellite and then it reaches receiver. So this is called satellite communication. So satellites are man-made instruments which are sent up in the sky, which have connectivity. Therefore, this is a safe and faster mode of communication between various places. So what happens? Suppose you are trying to call your friend. Okay, you are here. Okay, and your friend is at some other place. You are trying to call him via phone. So what? You dial his mobile number on your mobile phone. So that frequency is first sent to the tower 1, which is near you. Then tower 1 sends that information to satellite. The tower 1 sends the information to satellite, and your friend is somewhere here. So what does the satellite do? Satellite sends the information to tower 2, which is near your friend, and from tower 2 information goes to your friend. So whatever you talk in your mobile phone to your friend, the information is first sent to tower 1, then to the satellite, and from satellite to tower 2, then to your friend. But this takes place as usual, like as if you are talking in front. So the information passage in this case is very, very fast. Therefore, we have satellites launched. So we have many advantages of satellite communication. So first advantage is broadband digital communication. So initially the internet speeds were very, very slow. So now the internet speeds we see they are more. Why it is? It is due to broadband. The band passage of information initially was less, but now the band passage is more. Therefore, they have broadened the band. Therefore, broadband digital communication takes place. Environmental monitoring takes place through a satellite. So satellite is high up in the sky. Okay, satellite is high up in the sky, and it reads the environmental patterns around the earth, around one particular area of the earth or all over the earth, and environmental monitoring can be done. Then direct forecast services. So direct forecast services are provided using satellite communication. Satellites are used in mobile communications. We all know that mobile communication takes place through satellites, and with the help of a single satellite, large area of earth can be covered. With a single satellite. So this is the advantages of satellite. There are few disadvantages of satellites, which are namely the satellite cost. The cost of placing satellite is very, very high. Okay, that is one of the disadvantages. Then repair of the satellite is impossible. If there are any repairs to be done in the satellite, no, it is not. Okay, if there are software repairs, we can do it, but if there are hardware repairs, we cannot do it. So again, what The signals from satellite are open to all. The signals are open to all. If you have access codes, you can access the information through satellites. Therefore, satellite signals can be very easily hacked. Satellite signals can be very easily hacked. So these are disadvantages which are not so needed. Only thing is satellite communication and advantages are needed. So this completes the fifth unit, modern physics. Thank you.